If you love food, views, and real travel moments, this trip is for you. Welcome to Hong Kong, a city full of energy, culture, and unforgettable experiences. Join us as we share our 5 days and 4 nights adventure, from breathtaking views to magical moments and everything in between. But first, let me tell you how we booked our flight. We got ours from Cebu Pacific Seat Sale for round-trip ticket for only 5,430 pesos, plus our 2,580 pesos extra baggage round-trip. We usually book directly from the airline website to avoid third-party fees, but you can also check Google Flights or other sites to compare prices before booking. Hi guys, my name is May and this is Jen from Jen and May Wonders with Us. We create food and travel videos and everything in between. So if you want to travel with us and explore the world, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's travel and wander around the world together. Day 1. We arrived in Hong Kong at Hong Kong International Airport around 10 a.m. Excited, of course, a little bit tired, but honestly, we're just ready to start the trip. You know that feeling when a trip finally begins? That mix of jet lag, excitement, and OMG, we're really here? Yeah, that was exactly us. But before anything else, kain muna. Syempre, our first stop was Citygate Outlets. So we grabbed our first meal in Hong Kong for 89 Hong Kong dollars and milk tea for only 43 Hong Kong dollars.
Ano, masarap? Okay.
Kain na. First taste.
Thank you, Lord.
Taste na.
I taste the Japanese village.
Ano? Sarap? After that, we have left our luggage at a storage center so we could explore even a little. So para walang mabigat na bag na dala-dala. So yeah, we paid for 25 Hong Kong dollars, good for 2 hours. Next up, one of the most beautiful experiences in Hong Kong is the Ngong Ping 360. We paid for 1,218 pesos per person for one-way ride for the cable car ride, and honestly, worth every peso.
Katapusan ng kaligayahan natin. Wow. Vietnam Day 1. Hello guys.
Hello, Vietnam.
Welcome to my vlog. Ay, Hong Kong.
Move on.
Next up, the iconic Tian Tan Buddha, or the Big Buddha they say. And for you to be able to reach the base of the Buddha, you have to climb 268 steps. And yes, nakakapagod siya, but it was worth it. Ang scenery, ang ganda niya. Meron siyang parang Taal Lake na nakikita mo dun. Sayang lang kasi nabura yung mga footage ko. After that, we explored Ngong Ping Village. So, super different siya from the busy city life. Walk around, check out the shops, took photos, and just enjoyed the moment. No rush, no schedule, just being present. After our Ngong Ping adventure, we decided na pumunta na sa aming Airbnb to check-in kasi maggagabi na rin siya. Since Ngong Ping Village is closer to the airport, it made more sense to us na pumunta muna diretso dun instead of our Airbnb sa Mong Kok. So we had to ride a train pabalik sa Mong Kok, and we used our octopus card na binili din namin sa Klook. There are 2 different octopus card, which is the standard and the tourist. So we had the standard one, which is pwede naman i-refund kung anumang funds meron dong natitira after the Hong Kong trip. So it is very convenient to have your octopus card kasi pwede siyang gamitin sa mga stores pag nag-dine-in ka for food, transportation, and naging useful talaga siya for me. And just like that, Day 1 in Hong Kong ended with a tired feet, full hearts, and memories we'll never forget. Then, let's go to day 2, Disneyland. Today was the day that we had been waiting for. Yes, a full day at Hong Kong Disneyland. And to make the most of it, we got the early park pass entry for only 7,421 per person. We booked it through Klook and honestly super worth it siya. But here's the real thing about early pass. It's not for an instant access for premium rides. It's for more of a photos and enjoying the park. Well, konti pa lang yung tao sa loob. Kasi pag nabuksan na yung gate, sobrang daming tao as in. Mahirapan ka na mag-picture-picture. So, para makapasok ka sa loob, papakita mo lang yung binili mong ticket sa Klook. Kung wala naman, pwede ka naman mag-purchase sa booth nila. So, before ka makapasok sa loob, i-check nila yung bag mo and such. Then, Viola! The entrance, we took some photos first with Mickey Mouse. Then after that, rides na! Our first ride was the Jungle River Cruise. Super fun and the guide was really funny. Perfect way to start the day. By the way, if you want to board a boat and go on an adventurous journey down a mysterious and dangerous river, you can hop on the Jungle River Cruise like we did. Gaya ng sinabi ko, super funny ni ating guide. But if you want something heartwarming and enchanting, and you want to see Olaf and friends, you can definitely enter Arendelle. Sobrang haba lang ng pila, but it was totally worth it. Oh, by the way, you can also meet a lot of characters in the park, and that's where we met Elsa. Well, definitely one of the best moments of the day. I also recommend downloading the Disneyland app. You can check the wait times for attraction, order food, and even book tickets from there. And if you don't want to wait in line, you can also purchase a premium pass there. Moving on, if you want a relaxing boat ride past a joyful group of singing children from around the world, you can hop on It's a Small World. But if you're looking for some thrill, try Wandering Oaken's Sliding Sleigh. It's a short ride but super fun. Next, you can take some photos at Fantasy Gardens or Toy Story Land, where there's another exciting ride, RC Racer. Well, it's a gravity-defying experience, speeding back and forth on a soaring U-shaped track. Well, too bad we missed that one. You can also explore Tomorrowland, where you can ride Orbitron, a flying saucer that takes you on a galaxy orbit. If you're looking to meet one of the world's greatest superhero, Iron Man, you can visit Iron Man Tech Showcase and Iron Man Experience.
All of us at Stark Industries wish you a pleasant flight.
Oh, hello, party people. So how's your day going?
Good.
That's what I like to hear. This group deserves a picture.
Oh, thank you, Iron Man. Okay, now you can photo with Iron Man. You can.
And if you want to fight alongside Ant-Man, hop on Ant-Man and the Wasp Nano Battle. It was super fun and interactive. You can also try the Hong Kong Disneyland Railroad. Medyo maiksi nga lang siya, pero you can relax for a little bit. Now, here comes my favorite, food trip. We tried the famous giant turkey leg for 160 Hong Kong dollars. We also bought popcorn around 45 to 48 Hong Kong dollars, ice cream bar or popsicle around 45 to 60 Hong Kong dollars, and a Mickey character waffles around $70. The turkey leg was juicy and filling. Medyo wala lang siya lasa for me, and sobrang laki niya, hindi namin maubos. The popcorn is a caramel flavor. Masarap siya. Nothing special with the ice cream. And waffles is also delicious. Honestly, one of the best things in the park that I like is the free water refill stations. Super convenient niya when you're walking all day. You can simply refill your water kung meron kayong dalang tumbler. So I do recommend bringing your tumbler. And to end the day, fireworks. Yes, of course, the highlights of the day, yung fireworks talaga yung inaabang-abang namin. Watching the sky light up while the music played felt so magical. Ang ganda ng fireworks, medyo bitin nga lang. But before the fireworks, you'll get to meet different characters sa parade. Kasi may parade pa sila, grand parade. Ang ganda ng mga gawa nila doon and sasayaw-sayaw sila. And that's it. Day 2 ended with happy feet, full hearts, and unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed following our adventure, make sure to stay tuned for part 2, where we take you to Macau for a full day of sightseeing and then do some shopping in Mong Kok for day 4. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next part of our Hong Kong adventure. I'll see you in day 3. Bye!
Ang mga trentahin po. Sakat na yung mga pa.